Hi everybody, and welcome to this course, Learning Web Scraping with JavaScript. My name is Mustafa Mikatria. I will be your mentor for this course. A little bit about myself before we dive into this course. I worked as a technical consultant and a manager in many industries and in different countries. I am a JavaScript enthusiast. I write blogs and articles about JavaScript. I am the founder of Smart RTOS. It stands for Smart Real-Time Operating System. I like sharing knowledge, and I strongly believe that everything is easy to understand if taught well. Feel free to get in touch with me on Twitter. I will be happy to answer and learn from you. Now, let's take a look at what we are going to cover in this course. There are 5 sections in this course. The first section is about getting started with web scraping. Scraping 101. I will explain the main idea behind web scraping and the legal limitations. Then I will set up the first web scraping example using only the browser's developer tools. The second section is about how to scrape a search engine using Casper.js. I will show you how to install Casper.js and how to use it. In the third section, scraping hotel website using Casper.js, I will set up Casper.js script to scrape Airbnb.com. Then save the data into 2 different files, a JSON file and an HTML file. In the fourth section, scraping an e-commerce website using Cherio, I will show you how to scrape Amazon.com using Cherio and how to save the result into a JSON file. In the last section, I will build a web application to scrape a website, Amazon.com, then save the result online using a node server and AWS. A basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is highly recommended to follow along. Otherwise, take your time to get familiar with those technologies before starting this course. If you already know or have some knowledge about Node.js, Casper.js, Cherio, Express, and JSON, is great. Otherwise, don't worry, I will cover them enough in this course to use them to set up the scripts. Guys, let's be clear right from the start. This entire course is for educational purposes only. You have to be aware that there are legal limitations and restrictions for web scraping. Not all websites allow data scraping. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of the websites or the organization before any action on their data. What are we waiting for? Let's get started.